Welcome to Alaskan Metalworks. My name is Mike, and before we kick off the channel, I wanted to introduce myself. Just to tell you guys just a little bit about what all this is about. I grew up in Alaska, and from a young age, I knew I loved building things or taking things apart. I just wanted to figure out how everything worked. I learned how to weld and operate and wrench on heavy machinery from my grandfather, and construction from just about every male figure in my life growing up. After high school, I joined the military. I picked up more skills, and I eventually, about 2 years ago, I started my own business, Alaskan Metalworks, based out of Oak Harbor, Washington. I cut my teeth on making small plasma cut art and powder coating. Eventually moved on to heavier equipment and projects. Most recently, we ventured into fine woodworking, which is a whole other beast. Mostly industrial style wood furniture, epoxy tables, and cabinets. For years, many friends of mine have been urging me to film all the projects and adventures and random stuff I'm always working on and doing. Well, guys, I finally gave in, and so to close this rant out, I'm excited to announce that I've teamed up with a close friend of mine, Josh Steele of Steel Fab. Josh is an excellent fabricator and a fantastic mechanic, and both of us would like to invite all of you into our world and lives. We're constantly up to something. We're constantly taking on new projects, bigger projects, and we truly believe that anything is possible as long as you just put your mind to it and buckle down and get after it. We intend on dropping a video once a week, basically showing the setup of our new shop, which is a cluster at the moment. From moving everything in there to building storage cabinets, the woodworking side, the fabrication side, the mechanics side, getting all the wiring figured out, the whole 9 yards. And then after that, we'll just start taking project after project. If you're a DIY guy, this is the place to be, because we get a little bit of everything. And so basically, hit that bell button, like, subscribe to the page, and then stand by, because this is going to be a wild ride, and I'm excited.